Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to edit caption on TikTok. Click on the profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. After going to your profile, select the video you want to post. Click on the three dots to the right of your video. This will open the options menu. The Save Video option should be on the left side of the screen. Once you select this, the video will be uploaded to your device. Make a repost of the finished video by uploading it from the film, adding a new title. And making sure that you have brought it to perfection before publishing. Stay with us, see you in the next video. Bye bye!